Let's be real. There's a moment every trader reaches where they've invested tons of time and energy into learning and practicing, and they still find themselves losing trade after trade. Can you relate? You've studied many strategies and watched endless trade breakdowns. You know your break of structures, your change of characters, and you've got the theory locked in, but your results say something different. You jump into trades too early, you enter into trades too late, you wait patiently only to miss the move. You flip bias mid-trade, then watch price go in the original direction. It's frustrating, and it can cause you to wonder if my strategy is broken or if it even works. Because that's exactly what I thought when I started to doubt what I was doing, which caused me to always start to seek something else. And I'd been trading for years, and I was drowning in strategy content. One week it was one strategy, the next week it was another. Adding 100 confluences together, thinking that would work. Constantly searching for the next holy grail method that would help me make endless profits. But no matter what strategy I used, the same thing kept happening. Wins felt random. Losses felt personal. Confidence disappeared. And worst of all, I never knew why anything worked. But then comes the moment in every trader's journey where it finally all clicks. I realized the strategy wasn't broken. The structure wasn't missing. The problem was the system. Let me explain. A strategy is a set of ideas, but a system is a repeatable process. Most traders, they're trading ideas, not systems. They can recite the strategies all day, but when it's time to click buy, they second guess and freeze. That was me until I stopped chasing new strategies and zoned into one clear system. It had to do three things. Number one, tell me the narrative of the market. Number two, show me the best place to enter. And number three, keep it mechanical to stop me from guessing. That's it. So I simplified it and I rebuilt everything from the ground up. And here's what I came up with. Step number one, higher time frame directional bias. I don't touch the charts until I know what smart money is doing. Are they continuing the trend with break of structure to the upside or the downside? Are they reversing it with failure to displace patterns forming? Or is price in indecision, forming lower highs and higher lows? But if your bias is not clear, it's best to stay out. Step number two, high probability key levels. Once bias is clear, I mark a clean key level, a high probability zone where price is likely to react. No random levels, no overmarked charts, just one zone that aligns with liquidity and market structure principles. I like to use swing highs and swing lows and fair value gaps. These are high probability reaction zones. Then step number three, CISD entry. When price comes to my key level zone, I wait for the compression, inducement, sweep, displacement pattern. If it shows up, I enter. If not, I skip. That's the one shift that changed everything. Because suddenly my strategy had structure. My process was mechanical and repeatable. And my entries, they finally started working. I stopped second guessing. I stopped over trading. I stopped almost getting it right. And I started feeling confident in my system. Now, I'm not saying your strategy is wrong, but if you don't have one clear entry system behind it, it'll always feel like something is missing. And once you fix that, everything else will come together. In the next video, I'll walk you through the CISD pattern, the exact entry sequence I just mentioned. It's the pattern I trade 90% of the time, and it's the reason I've been able to trade with confidence and stick to one system.